On top with tori for today, Naija Presido don go visit South Africa unto how Naija people live today. President Muhammadu Buhari don Tanda put for South Africa Republic for 3-day state visit as im get invitation from South Africa Presido Cyril Ramaphosa, where dem go fit talk on top how Naija people wey dey stay for South Africa live dey go. Dis visit so na unto the xenophobia attack and the things wey dey happen to many Naija people wey dey stay South Africa. And dis one waka on top the many visits wey special envoy from President Muhammadu Buhari and President Cyril Ramaphosa don waka put for the two countries. For South Africa, so Naija Presido go do better town hall meeting with Naija people wey dey stay for South Africa, as e go begin to like to dey hear dem dey give am ogbonge tori unto how dem dey, unto say Naija government dey with dem gidigba to take protect their life and property, and to see say the two countries dey stay gidigba well unto how dem dey live with each other. President Buhari and Cyril Ramaphosa go still sit down talk on top Naija and South Africa by National Commission, where dem go collect progress reports, and as dem finish this one, dem go sign wetin oyinbo dey call communique. For this travel visit, so President Muhammadu Buhari go with governors for Nigeria, with Governor Abdullahi Umaru Ganduje, Governor Simon Lalong, Governor David Umahi, and he go still there with Minister of Foreign Affairs Geoffrey Onyema, Minister of Defense Major General Bashir Magashi, Minister of Power Salim Amani, Minister of Interior Rauf Aregbesola, Minister of Mines and Steel Deve Olamilekan Adegbite, Minister of Police Affairs Magari Dingyadi, Minister of State, Industry and Investment Ambassador Mariam Katagum. For this trip, so na National Security Advisor Major General Babangana Mungunu, Director General National Intelligence Agency Ambassador Ahmed Rufai Abubakar, and Chairman and CEO of Nigeria Diaspora Commission Honorable Abike Dabiri Erewa. Now all those people can go this visit with President Muhammadu Buhari for South Africa. And President Muhammadu Buhari go Tanda back for Abuja for Nigeria for Friday after dem finish this 3-day state visit to take talk on top how Naija people live today for South Africa. Now here we see the ogbonge informate reach on top with tori for today, as President Muhammadu Buhari land gidigba port for South Africa to follow Cyril Ramaphosa wey be South Africa Presido talk on top how Naija people live today, and he go follow Naija people wey dey there take yarn how Naija government ready gidigba to support them. May una no forget say this ogbonge informate so na T Live Media na im dey bring am come gidigba come give una. To continue to get this sharp and clear informate as e dey shele for we country, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV, and our still follow us waka enter Facebook for T Live Media. Our website sidon gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com to get ogbonge informate as e dey shele.